Hi guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Guys, it seems like Umeli without Thandeka makes him more likable. You know, he's free, I won't lie. So yesterday they had the Zimba Task Challenge, Team A and Team B. Team A, it was Ashe, Didi, Meli, and QQ and Dawn. Then Team B, it was Tracy, Kimwanda, Liema, Bravo B, and we're all having a conversation, or Ashe having conversation, no Meli or Didi having a conversation, Umeli, like a team, guys. You know, it was enjoyable, guys. When it comes to Team B, Yokesana, it was a dollar. On Tuesday, something happened again, guys. A cooking pie task challenge. Umeli, he was sitting next to Bravo B, Liema. Guys, he was having a conversation, no Liema. He was talking, no Liema. He was enjoying just to have a conversation with other housemate guys instead of having conversation when it's Thandeka alone. So people are saying today's argument, you know, between Thandeka and Mele, it's a good thing. People actually celebrating, say at least Umele, he will be free, he'll go out there and engage with other housemate, has been in prison because of Thandeka. I feel like with Thandeka, she's an introverted guys. She likes to spend time alone. It's so difficult to go around and spend time with people. And the way she communicate, I feel like it's hard to have a conversation with Thandeka, guys. Thandeka is very smart. I love her, guys. Sometimes I do vote for her, but I feel like, you know what, she's better when she's on her own, guys. And people are saying, oh, maybe this is the right time for Meli and Thandeka to go their separate way, so people will stop sharing votes. Or Thandeka, she will focus on her own game, because at the end of the day, she's not here to be just Meli's girlfriend and follow Meli around. At the end of the day, she needs to play her own game. We need to know the real Thandeka, guys. So people are saying about Umeli is an extrovert. He enjoy being around people. The next thing he's talking to Liema, the next thing he's talking to Didi, to Trace. So he wants to be around people, but he cannot do that because of Thandeka, guys. So people are saying what it's a good thing that they had an argument today. Some are praying they must not fix it, but for me, guys, it seems like these two love each other. I don't see any problem, you know, these two spending time together. So guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.